equation, we have to write the equation of a parabola whose directrix is given and has a focus of 11.75 comma minus 1. If we try to draw this parabola, how it's going to look like, this is a rough sketch. So x equal to something is a line parallel to y-axis, so it's going to look, first off, this is the coordinate plane, and x equal to something is a line like this. So if this is the directrix, right, if this is a directrix, so definitely the parabola must open like this, because the directrix is exactly it's away, it's towards the other side of the parabola. So the focus is at 11.75. Where is 11.75, by the way? So 11.75 and negative 1, 11.75 and negative 1 is going to be over here. So that is the parabola. So either it can open like this or it can open like this. So in this case, since this is the focus, then definitely it cannot open like this, because then it would be intersecting, and this then cannot be the directrix. So for this to be the directrix, the parabola must be the vertex of the parabola must be in between those 2 points, which will be somewhere over here, and the parabola must open like this. If this is the vertex, and now if this is point P and this is the focus S, and the focus is 11.75 minus 1, and this point P will be 4.25, and the y coordinate will be same as minus 1. So the vertex is going to be the midpoint of these two P and S. So midpoint will be 4.25 plus 11.75 over 2. The y coordinate will be minus 1 over 2. So that will be 11 plus 4. This will become 15. 15 over 2 is 7.5, and this is minus 1. So this is the vertex. And the distance between the vertex and the focus, which is A. So the value of A is going to be 11.75 minus 7.5. 11.75 minus 7.5. So this is going to be 11.75 minus 7.5 will be 4.25. 4.25. And hence the value of the equation of the parabola will be, it is opening towards plus x-axis, so that's going to be y minus y1 is of the format y minus y1 whole square is 4a times x minus x1, where x1 and y1 and a are already known to us, where y1 is minus 1, so y minus of minus 1 is plus 1, y plus 1 whole square is 4 times a, which is 4.25, times x minus x1, which is 7.5, and 4 times 4.25 is 17. So the final answer is y plus 1 whole square is 17 times x minus 7.5. So this is the required answer.